Let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. C is for cat, says like a cold breeze, cool and tough. D is for dog, says tap your tongue, it's not that rough. Feel your lips and touch your teeth. Say the sounds that hide beneath. Move your tongue and try each one. Phonics time is so much fun. E is for elephant, stretch your lips, say it with pep. F is for fish, says like blowing out a candle swift. Let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. Let's make the sounds, let's sing them loud. Every letter makes us proud. From A to Z, come learn with me. Sounds are fun, just wait and see. So many sounds, so much to say. Let's sing our letters every day. Clap your hands and shout hooray for letter sounds. Hip hip hooray. G is for like goat in green, growling grizzly, strong and mean. H is for like hat and hair, happy hippos everywhere. I is for like igloo ice, insects buzzing, isn't it nice? J is for like jam and jump, jelly beans in a big sweet lump. K is for like kite and king, kangaroos that hop and spring. L is for like leaf and light, lions laughing in the night. I munch on muffins, yum yum yum. My mouth goes oh what fun. I nod my head and say no no. With my nose and tongue the sound will flow. Oh like an octopus in the sea, a round shaped mouth, say it with me. P is for popple, pop pop pop, a puff of air, not loud not rough. Q is for quick like a quail, cluck cluck, a tricky one but now you know. Roaring like a racing car, with your tongue curled back you'll go far. S is for like a snake, so long and thin, teeth together, let the sound begin. Tap your tongue behind your teeth, it's short and sweet. U is for umbrella rain, open up and try again. Vibrate your lips like a buzzing bee, just like me. W is for the wind goes by, round your lips and don't be shy. X is like in a box, a cool combo of sounds that rocks. U is for yeah, like a yellow yo-yo, push the air soft and low. Z is zoo, like a busy bee, a buzzing sound so happily. Now we've sung from A to Z, sounds and letters, you and me. Let's clap and cheer, we've learned so much, with sounds and songs and a joyful touch.